Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Linux Techie. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how we can create a virtual machine by cloning an existing virtual machine with KVM. So most of you have heard about AWS AMI. So AMI is nothing but a pre-captured state of a running virtual machine or an EC2 instance. So by using AMI you can launch or spin up the another EC2 instance quickly. So how we can do this in KVM, today I'm gonna show you. So before starting the video, I would like to request you, those who have still not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So guys, there is a command word list all. It's virsh. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 virtual machines and one is currently running. So I want to make a clone of my Ubuntu server so that I can have another virtual machine in my KVM. So there is a command word clone dash dash original, and you have to give the domain name of your original virtual machine and then the name of the newly created virtual machine you want to give, like Ubuntu server 2. So and then you need to give the file path. So I'm giving the default images path of KVM, which is var libvirt images, and I'm giving the file name as Ubuntu server 2 with the extension of qemu2, which is the default version or which is the default extension of KVM. So it will take some time to clone the existing virtual machine, so let's just wait. So there is an error. It is saying that domain with the device to clone must be paused or shut off. So it is asking me to turn off this virtual machine, and as you have heard about AMI in AWS, so there are two options in there. Like you can create an AMI by shutting down the machine, or you can create the AMI by running the machine. So if you want to create the clone of this virtual machine without shutting down, then you can go to the path where libvirt images, and you can just simply copy this file with the newly created file name, and then you can launch the new virtual machine with this storage. And for now, let's just stop this virtual machine so that I can clone it. So let's just wait till it shut down. You can also have a look at the GUI of KVM here. So as you can see, the Ubuntu server has shut down. So now I can clone this and hit enter. So as you can see, after hitting the cloning command, we are able to see the Ubuntu server 2 virtual machine, but it will not start yet because the cloning process is still not completed. So let's just wait till it's complete, then we can start this virtual machine. So we have successfully created a new virtual machine from the existing image of virtual machine. So now if we see here in the virtual machine manager KVM console, you will be see that Ubuntu server 2 has been created. Now you can start it by clicking on the run, or you can start it by the command virsh start Ubuntu server 2. So once you hit the command, it will say that domain Ubuntu server 2 is started, and you can also have a look at the GUI by clicking on the open . So as you can see, our Ubuntu server 2 is booting up, and here it is. So let's just log in with the credential. So as you can see, we have successfully logged in into the new virtual machine created by the existing virtual machine in KVM. So thank you for watching this video, and those who have still not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button and hit the bell icon.